Hope you're having a good trading week so far. So in this video, I want to do a quick trade recap of this dollar yen trade that we took this week. Okay, so this was a trade that we sent to our premium subscribers. Now, if you are a Telegram channel subscriber, right, do subscribe to the YouTube channel because we have many educational content like this, right? If you are from the YouTube, you have not joined our Telegram channel, right, please join us in Telegram because we send out our signals every single day. So in this video, I want to break down this trade that we took. I want to show you the reason behind this trading idea, why we entered at this price, why we placed a stop loss here, and how we actually got this trade. So right here, I'm at the dollar yen chart. So the first thing that is worth noting is that this is right now Tuesday. So we entered it roughly, I think, early in the morning. But when we were taking this trade, this candle already formed. Okay, so this was a very nice bullish candle, and if you can see, price did this kind of like a hammer. And if you were to look at the H4, you can see that there is some form of an inverted head and shoulders pattern as well. So you can see here that this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So in the H4 chart, what we saw is that a price has already broken the neckline of this inverted head and shoulders pattern. Okay, more importantly, this swing high, which was the recent swing high, is about to be violated. So you can see that it's already almost attacking this swing high. So you can see that price broke out, and when we entered somewhere about around here, 108.18, price has already broken above the trend line. Okay, retested it and start going back up. But that's not the main reason why we actually went in long. Now, if you were to zoom into the hourly chart, you can see that right here we have an uptrend. Okay, so this is one of the strongest reason why we had the conviction to go long. The first thing we saw was that this was a high, this is a low, this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and so on. So our entry was somewhere here. Now, what gave us the confidence to go long was this pattern right here. Okay, let me just clear this up so it's clearer. Okay, what gave us the confidence was this engulfing pattern here. Okay, this was the first engulfing pattern we saw after price broke the trend line and retested it. And then after that, we saw another engulfing pattern right here. So let me just highlight this for you. So this was the second engulfing pattern. And when we saw two of these engulfing patterns happening just after the break of the trend line and retesting it nicely, that gave us the confidence to go long. So of course, on the close of this candle, with a bit of the spread, and I think we were a bit late, we entered somewhere right here. So that was our entry, 108.18. Okay, so price is about to hit our take profit number 2, but take profit 1, it went up, okay, and it actually hit this level right here almost immediately. Okay, depending on the brokerage you use, right? At our brokerage, our take profit was hit here. But if you didn't get hit and price retraced, it's fine also because price eventually hit it right here. Okay, so the reason for the take profit is just very simple. You can see that right here, there is some form of resistance. So we just say, okay, there's some resistance here. Let's take profit before this level. And because we send this out on the Telegram channel, we want to keep it simple. So we just use the whole number, 20 pips. So 108.18 to 108.38 is just 20 pips. Okay. The next take profit would of course be the next another 20 pips. Okay, and then after that another 20 pips. In fact, if you are familiar with our Telegram channel, we always do this. We just keep it simple. Okay, that doesn't mean that you have to follow us exactly. You can always trail your stop loss and write the trade. But as a general rule of thumb, this is how we always send our signals out. We send it in 20 pips, 40 pips, 60 pips, or 30 pips, 60 pips, 90 pips. Okay, so hopefully that is clear for the take profit. Now let me just run you through the stop loss. The stop loss is actually very simple. So you can see that there is a bullish engulfing pattern here. Now, when we entered here, we were afraid that price might just come back down, something like this. let me draw it for you, just down, and start, retracing further down and then go back up. So for that reason, since we are playing on this trend line and a change in trend, then naturally our stop loss has to be below the trend line, and this is a very nice spike low, or otherwise known as a swing low. Okay, so placing a stop loss below here is relatively safe, and that's why we chose to put our stop loss right here. Okay, so that's the entire thought process behind why we took this trade. Okay, this week is very difficult, so please trade safe. Okay, I hope you got a ton of value. If you like more videos like this, right, please let me know in the description down below. Right, perhaps we'll do our best to record one of this trade recap video every single week. Okay, so just let me know. If not, please trade safe, and I'll see you in the Telegram channel.